The future of transportation is an exciting and rapidly evolving field, with new developments and technologies emerging all the time. While it's difficult to predict exactly what the future holds, there are several key trends and technologies that are likely to shape transportation in the coming years. One of the most significant trends in future transportation is the shift towards electric and hybrid vehicles. Electric vehicles, EVs, have been gaining popularity in recent years, thanks to advancements in battery technology that have made them more practical for everyday use. In the future, we can expect to see even more EV models on the road, with longer ranges and faster charging times. Additionally, hybrid vehicles, which combine a traditional internal combustion engine with an electric motor, are also becoming more common. These vehicles can help reduce emissions and improve fuel efficiency, making them a more sustainable transportation option. Another trend in future transportation is the rise of autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars and trucks are already being tested on roads around the world, and it's likely that they will become more common in the coming years. Autonomous vehicles have the potential to reduce accidents and traffic congestion, as well as increase mobility for people who are unable to drive, such as the elderly or disabled. However, safety and ethical concerns around autonomous vehicles will need to be addressed before they can be widely adopted. Urban air mobility is another area that is expected to see significant development in the future. Companies like Uber and Airbus are already working on developing electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft, which can be used for transportation in urban areas. These aircraft have the potential to reduce congestion on roads and highways, as well as provide a faster and more efficient way to travel within cities. Another technology that may play a role in future transportation is hyperloop. Hyperloop is a high-speed transportation system that uses magnetic levitation technology to propel pods through a vacuum-sealed tube at speeds of up to 600 miles per hour. This technology has the potential to revolutionize long-distance travel, making it faster and more efficient than traditional modes of transportation like trains or airplanes. In addition to these specific technologies, future transportation is also likely to be more connected and data-driven. Smart cities and the Internet of Things, IoT, will play a big role in this, with transportation systems becoming more integrated and able to share data and communicate with one another. This will allow for more efficient traffic flow, improved safety, and better management of resources. Overall, the future of transportation is an exciting and rapidly evolving field, with many new technologies and trends that have the potential to improve our lives in many ways. From electric and hybrid vehicles, to autonomous cars and urban air mobility, the way we get around is likely to change dramatically in the coming years. Transportation technology is constantly evolving and improving, and is likely to change in several ways in the future. Some potential changes include increased adoption of electric and autonomous vehicles. As battery technology and autonomous driving systems continue to improve, it is likely that more and more people will start using electric and self-driving vehicles. This could reduce emissions and make transportation safer and more efficient. Development of new transportation infrastructure. With the advent of electric and autonomous vehicles, new transportation infrastructure will be needed, such as charging stations, parking facilities, and road networks that are optimized for these vehicles. Increased use of ride-sharing and car-sharing services. With the rise of ride-sharing companies like Uber and Lyft, and car-sharing services like Zipcar, it is likely that more and more people will start using these services instead of owning their own vehicles. This could reduce the number of cars on the road and make transportation more efficient. Greater focus on public transportation. Governments are likely to invest more in public transportation systems such as buses, subways, and trains in order to reduce congestion and emissions. More advanced logistics systems. With the use of drones, robots, and advanced software, logistics systems will become more efficient and can improve the delivery of goods and services.